Okay, just a quick, I just picked this up at FedEx. I was out skiing and in Montana, and it came while I was gone. I had to have it redirected. But this is sort of an unboxing, sloppy one, but nevertheless an unboxing. It came packed well. You're seeing exactly as I got it, other than I just pulled off the paper or the tape off the side, opening it up. So I got extra propellers, got the Palm Pilot, and 2 intelligent batteries. And then this came in its box, and it's all wrapped in plastic. I'll get it opened up as well, and so I can put everything on to charge here. So charge overnight, because I just got into Dallas, back home. Nice box. So the hover mode here, damn light. And nice packaging, 00. And so you have 4K, the 2.3 scan sensor, the mechanism gimbal, 360, 23 minutes of flight time, up to 5 kilometer control range, and portable design. So that's what's on the outside, and let's pull this box off. Really nice, tight fitting. Let's take a look. Oh, sorry. So it does open right here. Here's a seal. Okay, let me get a knife. Okay, got a knife. And let's cut this seal right here. My cats are meowing. If you didn't hear them in the background, hadn't seen me in a week. Down. What's that? Something catching. Okay, there. And then that goes up. Okay. So we have, oh, a really nice case. And if this is what the drone's in, I am overly impressed on how small the thing is. I'll open that up in just a second. Then out here, here are the blast off mode components, the legs for the blast off mode, the 2 guards for the blast off mode, and apparently some other clips. And so I don't know if there's anything on the sides. Nicely packaged. This side. The instruction book. Set that aside. And those are some other propellers for there. They might, I assume they're in the case, but we'll figure that out in a moment. And by the way, I'm using the new iPhone and the wide angle lens right now, and I'm pleased with how much perspective it's giving me. I'll open that up just a second. That was fairly heavy, so it leads me to believe that is the charging unit. Yep. So we have a USB. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. Like I said, not really prepared to do this. So this is a USB to USB-C. Nice. and then the charger here. So I'm not sure what we're USBing, but here's a USB port here, plug in here, and then some additional connector here. So don't know, probably charging directly to the drone as well as to the additional battery. So you charge both of them at the same time is my assumption, strictly assumption. So now let's open this up. Put my elbow here somehow to open this up. I want to give you the full experience as I'm seeing it. You see the hover across there, it's nice. So we have it on the back side, no. It's a rubbery, leathery feel, or rubbery feel, but it's not, doesn't feel bad. So I got blades here and extra blades there, and then it comes with blades here. Very nice. So here is the unit. And we'll cover over the camera. And we'll go from there. I will start charging the unit and we'll take a look at it again tomorrow. Thank you for watching this weird over-the-counter unboxing of the Hover 2, our Kickstarter and beta program. Okay, I forgot that I had the batteries. I wanted to open up those with y'all too. So I just plugged in the unit next to the wall to start charging it. Let's see what we got in here. There's the battery, which fits, looks like in there, like so. And then you have the Palm Pilot here. I'm going to box it with y'all. Instructions with it as well. Very nice. Very, very nice. So you've got your different modes, picture. Yes. Up and down. I don't know. I have to figure it all out. Low control on the bottom here. I am overly pleased.